Good morning friends. Once again I am here with our new tutorial. Today we had going to see one more activity. The name of that activity is Be Quick. What is the name of that activity? That activity name is Be Quick. Be quick. Okay. What is mean by be quick? Be quick means fast. Be quick means be fast. And that day we had seen one activity 1 2 3 activity. 1 2 3 activity. I had already told you that you have to make one, you have to choose one letter and you have to write 3 words of that letter and you have to make 3 phrases, but not a single student from your class had done that activity or the homework and send it to me. I had waited for that, but no answer or no response I had get till now. So not to worry, try to do these activities, watch that video, you will definitely get you will find interesting the activity and you will try to do that activity. Okay, today we are going to see the next activity. The name of this activity, it is in your syllabus, so we have to take this activity, and this activity is learner based activity, means you have to do this activity. It is depend on you. It is to improve your vocabulary, to improve your communication skill and various kind of skill, writing skill, various kind of skill to improve here. Okay, be quick. Be quick means be fast. Now we will going to see this, what we have to do in this activity. You form group of 5. As you all know, that day already I had told you that we are taking the lecture from the home. You are also at home because of COVID-19, so we cannot make group here. But what we have to do, so we alone, we are at home, we can alone we have to do this activity. We don't have to take anybody here. Okay, so choose one of the following table. You can choose, there are 4 tables, 1 2 3 and 4 tables. How many tables are there? 4 tables. Then what you have to do, choose one of the following table. You have to choose any table from this. Each one in the group read aloud the words from the table as fast as possible. Means you have to choose, suppose you had choose this table, you have to read the words, whatever the words given here in this table, you have to read as fast as you can possible, like the it, he, this, be, in, for, as, but, to, that, not, you, his, of, have, on, do, by, and I, with, at, from. In this way you have to read as fast as possible with aloud means जोरात म्हणायचं आहे. ठीक आहे, you have to read as fast as you and as aloud as you can, as louder as you can. Okay, who can read all the words in one table within 15 seconds? And you have to put your timer on, it means your watch on or mobile timer is on, and within 15 seconds you have to read this whole table. Any table you can choose, this table you can choose, this table you can choose, this table you can choose, any table of your choice, but within 15 seconds you have to read these words. Practice reading these words aloud correctly till you can do as 15 seconds. If what will happen in the first attempt, you cannot read this word in 15 seconds. Suppose you had choose this group and you are reading this word in a very quick way or very fast way, but you cannot complete this table in 15 seconds. You had take 30 seconds, 45 seconds, 60 seconds, but you have to come to 15 सेकंड. दॅट फॉर दॅट टाईम यू हॅव टू डू द प्रॅक्टिस. म्हणजे तोपर्यंत तुम्हाला प्रॅक्टिस करायचं आहे जोपर्यंत तुम्हाला 15 सेकंडमध्ये हे करता येणार नाही. ठीक आहे, तर व्हेरी इझी ॲक्टिव्हिटी अँड यू हॅव टू राईट डाऊन दिस ॲक्टिव्हिटी इन युअर नोटबुक ऑल्सो, सो दॅट यू कॅन रीड द वर्ड्स again and again. These words are very easy. Okay, so what you have to do, you don't have to show me the homework here by writing this activity. You have to send me your videos of speaking in a louder voice of this, any of the group. You have to choose any of the group and you have to speak louder as I had just show you within 15 seconds. Till that you have to do the practice. You have to set a timer. You have to see how long it takes to complete this whole group, okay, whole table. Okay, do you understand the activity? The activity is very easy. Hope you had understand this. You will do practice and you have to send the video. I am waiting for your video. Please do the first activity also. This is our second activity. Activity is for you, it is not for me. And if you are doing this activity, it will definitely improve your confidence and your vocabulary level, and it can improve your self confidence. You will boost your self confidence. Okay, stay safe, stay at home, and I am there always to help it out. If you have any doubt, please convey your doubt to me. Okay, thank you, bye bye.